Hello and welcome back. On the board today, 1 and 7 over 8 divided by 3/4 multiplied by 1 and 1/3. We all know someone who gets completely stuck on fraction chains like this. If you have a classmate like that, feel free to send this video their way. And if you are enjoying the channel, a quick like and subscribe really helps me keep making this lesson. Alright, let's look at the board. Before we calculate anything, there is a very sneaky trap here. The multiplication at the end looks incredibly easy, almost like it was designed to be done first. But if you do it first, you are going to fall right into the trap. Multiplication and division share the exact same priority, which means we must process them strictly left to right. The clean method is to convert our mixed number to improper fractions, step by step. Take 1 and 7 over 8. Multiply the whole number 1 by the denominator 8, that's 8, then add the numerator 7 equals 15. So it becomes 15 over 8. Next, 1 and 1/3. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4, equals 4/3. 3/4 is already a plain fraction, so it stays. Our chain is now 15 over 8 divided by 3/4 multiplied by 4/3. Now, the first operation, 15 over 8 divided by 3/4. Keep chain flip, K, C, F. (15 over 8 times 4/3) cross cancel. 15 and 3 reduce to 5 and 1. 4 and 8 reduce to 1 and 2. That leaves us with 5 halves. Next, we multiply our 5 halves by 4/3. Five times 4 is 20. 2 times 3 is 6. 26 simplifies to 10/3. Three goes into 10 3 times with 1 left over. Our final answer is 3 and 1/3. Now your turn. On the screen, 3 and 3/4 divided by 1 and a half, multiplied by 2 and 2 over 5. Same trap, new numbers. Drop your answer in the comment. I'll pin the correct one. By the way, if you would like to watch other videos on fraction operations, please check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.